Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the connection to the remote computer could not be established VPN error. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the network adapter section and under here you can able to see WAN driver listed over here. You just need to select it one by one and select uninstall device. Do the same thing for all the van drivers listed over here. After uninstalling all the van drivers under network adapters, select the action tab and select scan for hardware changes. And now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to press in Windows key and R key together to open up a run. In here, you just need to type firewall.cpl. Click on OK. In here, you just need to select the restore defaults option and select the restore defaults option and select yes and restore the firewall settings to default. After doing it, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.